Every 4 years, we have the great honor and duty to exercise our freedom and vote. It's a privilege granted to only U.S. citizens, and I encourage all to vote no matter their political affiliation. But beyond preparing yourself to vote, you have also need to have a prepared election investment plan. Perhaps you've never heard of this term. However, in previous American voting cycles, I've witnessed people from both sides of the aisle struggle to rationalize their candidate and what will happen with their investment accounts if they were elected, or worry about what they believe will become worse if they're not. I distinctly remember hearing people say that they had to get out if President Obama was reelected, only to see double-digit gains on the S&P 500 1 year later. And I'm now hearing some say the market will go straight down if Mr. Biden gets in, while also hearing the same about President Trump in 4 more years of his policies. But the fact is, the stock market returns are pretty even between Republican and Democrat presidents, which is why it's crucial to keep in mind not only what party is involved, but the individual policies. What policies on the table will change the trajectory of taxes, equality, social programs, and religious freedoms? When these major issues get changed, they can have a major effect on market returns going up or going down. You might even notice that when you speak to someone who doesn't think like you and believes the other side will wreck things, it doesn't matter if there's an R or a D after their name. Instead, it's just the other side. But to go back to your election investment plan, at iWealth, we believe you and everyone around you should have a plan and be continually evaluating it as we enter this 2020 voting cycle. For example, let's say you're going to retire in the next 18 months. In this case, when perhaps you should have a few years of cash on hand to use if the market becomes volatile and you need to supplement your income. Or what if you had an upcoming wedding to pay for? Or perhaps park that money in a less aggressive account. Or what if you truly thought you had a buying opportunity coming because of this election? Then perhaps you should have some cash on hand to invest at the opportune time. No matter your situation, you should take some time to consider what your future holds. Have a plan and execute on it. And if you don't have a plan yet, then sit down with someone that can help you create one. I hope you have a great fall plan, and please do not forget the right to get out and vote this November. Have a great day.